Cause y'all already know, like, we don't do nothing fake over here. We don't do nothing fake over here. Like, cause what? We don't do that. Hey guys, it's your girl Jess Renee, and I am back with yet another video. If you guys have read from the title, then you guys know pack came in the mail, honey. Cause what? Period. Pack came in the mail. And I'm so excited to open this package for you guys, so you guys can see my reaction, so you guys can see what I got in this lovely small package. Because guess what? Big things come in small packages. Little do you know. So guys, before we get into this video, I want you guys to check out my hair. Like, look at the curls. The curls are popping. Nails, ignore the ashy hands. Cause what? Cause period. Do not forget to, check out these eyebrows, these lashes, all that. And guys, don't forget to do me another favor and like this video right now before you even get into it, because y'all already know when I do my unboxing review videos, it's gonna be some fire stuff. Like, it's gonna be some great things that I show you guys. Y'all already know that. Don't forget to comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram at JessRenee ____. See you guys in a bit. Bye. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Y'all ready? Because I'm ready. Like, I've been waiting to open this package for the longest. Like, this is my Christmas present for my man. Like, I already know what it is, but I haven't seen it in person. Like, I only seen it online. So I'm just ready to see what's in this box. Like, what? Cause what? Anywho, but like I said, y'all already know what it's related to, because as you guys read from the title, it said Louis Vuitton reveal. Guess what? Louis Vuitton. Y'all already know what it is. Like, cause y'all already know, like, we don't do nothing fake over here. We don't do nothing fake over here. Like, cause what? We don't do that. So let me put my bag up here, because y'all know they say if you keep your purse on the floor, you become broke. And I ain't with none of that. So let me just put my bag, somewhere safe so it won't touch the ground. So I just want to point out to you guys, I covered my my address and everything, so you guys won't be trying to stalk me. But okay, so when you guys order something from Louis Vuitton, it's gonna say LV. LV. That's how you know it's real. Cause guess what it's gonna say? It's gonna say LV. LV. You see that? LV. LV. That's how you know you got something from Louis Vuitton, and you know it's authentic. Let's just get into this video. Let's just get into this video, honey. Like, cause what? I got another LV package in the mail. Cause I ain't buy it this time though. I got spoiled by the Mr. for Christmas. It's Christmas Eve or whatever, but I feel as if, you can open your presents on Christmas Eve. So what difference does it make if I open it tomorrow or today? It doesn't make a difference. Plus, he doesn't know that I'm opening my present early. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna open it today, because I just can't wait anymore. And also, y'all, let me tell you, I promise you I'm about to open it, but let me just tell y'all a backstory. So I've been desperate to record this video for you guys for the longest. I was gonna sneak behind his back and do it, but I could not record it and I could not post it because my best friend's husband, he bought her a Louis Vuitton. Y'all, he bought her a Louis Vuitton. And he hit me up and whatever. He was like, what I need to do. I sent him our sales rep, because guess what? When you order stuff offline, you know what I'm saying, it's authentic. You get your own personal sales rep. So we have a sales rep named Luke or whatever that we order our stuff from. So he ordered her a Louis Vuitton, but this time we don't have the same exact one. She has the LV print. I didn't want the LV print. I wanted the different kind. I'll show you guys which kind I got when I open it up in a minute. So yeah, there's just a backstory on that. Like, she has a freaking and she does not know it. Like, these men, they spoil us because guess what? Why wouldn't they? Like, we're the freaking best. Like, what? We're the freaking best. Like, I'm just ready for her to open a prayer present tomorrow and see that she has a freaking L. Cause what? Like, what? Honey, without further ado, let's look at this package. Okay, so as y'all know from my other video, if you watched it, it comes in like this Louis Vuitton, like whatever. This is not important to me. I don't know what all this paperwork is, but I guess a label to resend it back. Thank you for shopping. That's how you know it's legit. Check out the number down below, 1-800, well, 1866, blah, blah, blah. That's the number you contact whenever you want to speak to a Louis Vuitton representative. Authentic Louis Vuitton representative. Not that fake stuff. Because guess what? We won't do that fake over here. We do not do that fake over here. And this is just a piece of paper if you want to return it, which I am not going to be returning my and just a receipt stating that it was purchased by the mister. Came in this small box. Cause what? Don't even matter. Okay, so yes, Louis Vuitton. And y'all know what I realized? I've been watching TikTok, right? And you can order the fake Louis Vuitton. I don't know how much it costs because I can care less. And they will ship it in one of these packages. Cause how dare you? The audacity. The audacity? Like what? I'm quite confused. Like, I ain't knocking y'all for buying the fake stuff because that's on you. That's your money. Do you, boo-boo? But if you're going to try to rock a name brand, make sure that it's authentic, okay? Authentic. But without further ado, let's open up this pack that came in the mail. Wow, why would you do that? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, I think this is like my warranty card because of course when it's authentic, you get a warranty card, right? You can exchange it if something happens to it, like they fix it, like if my leather like comes off or anything, like my zipper breaks, they fix it. Same thing with my purse. I have a warranty on my bag because why not? Okay, so whatever this is, like I said, I think it's the warranty. Let's open it and see. I can't get it. I don't even think it's anything. Like, why did you waste paper? What is this? What was your Louis Vuitton? What was your sole purpose? But yeah, it still comes with a freaking warranty. But Louis Vuitton, what was your sole purpose? Sole purpose of like putting this in my package? Doesn't make sense at all. I don't know, but it's cute though. Little small little thingy envelope. But y'all, let's get into this bag. As y'all know, like my other purse, it came in, it had a little bow, and it came in one of these little cloth thingies that says Louis Vuitton. Cause what? Louis Vuitton. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Okay, cause I'm ready. Cause what? Baby girl got a freaking Louis Vuitton wallet. She got a what? She got a Louis Vuitton wallet. Just like my bag. Y'all see that? Louis Vuitton Paris. Authentic. Won't do that fake stuff. And it's the same color as my bag. The cherry color. Y'all. Y'all, like, what? Cause what? Cause what? Of course, I just want y'all to see. Louis Vuitton, Paris. Y'all see that? Paris. I just want y'all to know that this is legit because we don't do that fake stuff over here. I don't care what y'all do with y'all money. But as far as me and my girl, won't do that fake stuff. We don't. So it comes with like all these different pockets. I believe there's 3 on here and 3 right here. And then it comes with an additional set of pockets, like for your cards. And then it comes with this slot. And it comes with this slot. Y'all, it smells like it was made in Paris. Like, what? That's that new. Like, China. I don't know what y'all be doing, but y'all stuff ain't coming like this. And then just some other little stuff that I don't need. But this right here, like, because I be needing a wallet to go inside my purse because let me show you. I'm sitting in my lap because my bag cannot touch the floor. This right here, it doesn't have any pockets or anything. It doesn't have any. Can you count my money? It doesn't have any pockets. It just got like my little sanitizer wipes. It just got like a slot right here. I need this wallet to go inside of my Louis Vuitton bag because you cannot be carrying a bag without a wallet. You know what I'm saying? Because I be in here trying to like bring my stuff. But if I get to digging, oh, here it is. It's right here. What? Me? You ain't talking to me. You can't be talking to me. You ain't talking to me. You can't be. Because what? No. But yes, y'all, it's like, it's small and it's so convenient. Like, the right size. And it was all of $570. With tax, it was $625. To me, it's worth the price. Y'all probably thinking, you spent $625 on a wallet. No, I didn't spend $625 on a wallet. My man did. That's the big difference. You know what I'm saying? So if he's willing to, I'm not gonna knock him for spending the money on mine. Where's my wallet? On the wallet. So I don't know what to tell you guys. Let me know if you like my wallet. They have other kinds too. Like I said, my best friend, she has the one with the LV design on it. I didn't want that kind. I wanted the one to match my bag. Yep, I wanted the kind to match my bag. Cause what? Cause period. I got me a Louis Vuitton wallet. Y'all, check out the net. I got me a wallet. I got me a wallet. A wallet. Cause period. Cause what? Cause period. Cause what? Cause period. Check out the nails in the bag. Cause period. The girl got her a wallet. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned to watch my best friend's Louis Vuitton reveal video, because that's the video y'all need to see after you finish watching this video. And I'm gonna leave her YouTube name down below. It's Lanisha Gardner, but I'm still gonna leave it down below so you guys can spell it correctly. And subscribe to her channel, like her video, and comment, because honey, like, we got these videos coming back to back to back to back, and we need for y'all to keep up, okay? And that's just that on that. But guys, let me calm down, because y'all know when I be, you know, I be up here when I be making my little videos. So let me calm down, let me simmer down, humble myself real fast. I'm back. I am back. But guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, please leave a comment down below if you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell for post notifications, so that way whenever I post a video, you guys will be the first to know. You'll be like ding, and then you go watch it, okay? But guys, I will see you next time in the near future with a new video, okay?